Hi friends, I'm really very sorry for keeping myself away for more than a week, I guess, but I had to go through my tooth pain and I had to remove one of my tooth and it was so painful, I can't even tell you, and whole week I was in a pain, but now I'm okay, so I'm back. And during that time I realized that still the lockdown has opened but not that kind of open, and now people are rushing to come out and it is very dangerous this time. And you really have to be how to keep yourself away from all these mess, and how you can improve your immune system to take yourself away from the coronavirus, from the infection. So I thought, why not to make a video and show you some yoga asanas to boost your immunity, which I have been practicing, and it is very necessary. This is, guys, you have to be very careful now, because this is the most what I can say is, like, till now we were all at home, but now everybody is starting moving out and there is no social distancing. So for that, what we have to do is we have to improve our immune system. So I thought, let me just like show you some yoga postures, some yoga asanas which will increase your immune system, which is very important nowadays. And maybe some way yoga will this practice can help you all to improve your immune system. And please note that I'm not a doctor, but many factors can play a role in this. I'm just sharing a fun fact of how yoga can help. So we'll be practicing sun salutation, we'll be practicing Surya Namaskar. It will strengthen to your heart and lungs, and also increase your flow of your lymphatic system, which will help to remove toxins from your body and boosting your immune system. So practicing sun salutation to get your entire body in a moving. And then we'll be doing some twisting. So I've always heard that twisting detoxing your body, but I never understood why. So I have done some research on it, and I learned that little twisting and the motion in the body squeezes and the stretches internal organs. It can bring more blood flow to these organs, making the work more effectively. So we'll be practicing the launch twist, the chair twist, and the seated twist. And then we'll be practicing breathing, and breathe is so powerful in yoga practice. Taking super deep breaths strengthens our lungs and naturally cause our body to de-stress, which will reduce stress hormones, lower our heart, and calms to nervous system. All these can help to boost your immunity. Yay! And inversions. So getting ups and downs doesn't mean that every time you have to do only headstand and handstand. There are yoga asanas which you can receive the same benefit from all these poses as well. So which will increase your blood flow to your sinuses, which will help to remove from your toxins from your body. And we'll be practicing for that ragdoll and legs up on the wall. It will be very easy asanas. I have seen many elderly people are suffering from dengue, or they are not moving out of the house also, but they are catching up infection of coronavirus, which is very sad. And people who has a very low immunity, they must do all these yoga practice at home, and I'm sure this will help you guys. And I'm just trying my bit to help you all with my yoga practice and sharing with you all. So I hope this will help, and thank you so much. Let's begin. that's all for now. I hope you like this video and I can help you to boost your immune system. And please eat healthy, drink lots of water, stay safe, and wash your hands. And if you are not feeling well, please stay at home. Don't rush to yourself to move out of the house. And please like, share, and who has not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.